Good morning, guys. It's a lovely Monday morning. Today is the 15th day of June 2026, and this is the last analysis we did. This was on Thursday, and this is what we were looking at. We were looking for potential buys above this level and the potential sells below this level. I had my alert here. The market on Thursday was consolidating within this levels here, within this range here. So I set my alert here for a breakout out of the consolidation, and here for a breakout bearish out of the consolidation. We got this breakout at 8:30 p.m. Uh, Once this alert went off, I missed the entry. I missed this entry here. Once the alarm went off, you could have jumped down to 15 minutes and gotten your entry price. You could have entered from this fair value gap here, this level here. There's a fair value gap between this candle and this candle here, though it's very large. So you could have set your entry here, stop loss below this candle here. This is how you'd have taken this trade. Myself, I was traveling. I didn't have I didn't take this trade, but this is how you'd have taken it. Stop loss there, and you take profit there. But you see, I don't think I would have traded it either way, because the rest to reward ratio very small, 1.6. I wouldn't have taken that trade either way. So that was a that was a buy. That was a buy that happened on Thursday. For the sales, you never got the sales. Never got any sales. So Thursday, I didn't take any trade. Friday, no trade either. You can see Friday the market was consolidating within this range here, this range here, and here. The market was just consolidating. Okay, this is a sideways market. It's not moving up. It's not moving down. Moving just sideways. So today morning we had this very big gap, and this could be because of the breaking news that we've had over the weekend about Iran and the US. There's been a lot of news coming out over the weekend, and this is the latest I can see here. Trump deal, the deal with the Islam Republic of Iran is now complete. The deal with the Islam Republic of Iran is now complete. Congratulations to all. I hereby fully authorize the toll-free opening of the Strait of Hormuz. So this was 8 hours ago. But before that, we had a lot of news coming in. Iran Deputy Foreign Minister confirms deal reached with the US 8 hours ago. Israel media citing sources, and Netanyahu informed Trump that Israel is not bound by the Lebanon clause in the agreement. Okay, this is 1 hour ago. Israel media citing. Then you see the US Iran reach peace deal signing set for Friday. Pakistan says okay. So this Friday we could have the signing of the deal. US and Iran agreed on peace deal to end the war. Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif. Yeah. World leaders welcome US-Iran deal as Europe signals sanction relief. You see, so the deal seems that like they've reached a deal, though it has not been signed yet. So you could expect anything with Trump in office. Anything is possible. could expect anything. So real quick, let's look at the fundamentals we are to expect this week. Monday, we have nothing high impact. I'm just looking for high impact data on the USD. So there's nothing high impact on the USD today. On Tuesday, mm, nothing. We have some high impact data on the JPY. If you trade the JPY pairs, we have the Australian dollar. If you trade the AUD, uh, we have some high impact data on Tuesday coming out. Fundamentals. On Wednesday, what do we have? GBP on Wednesday at 9 p.m. This is when we have some high impact data on the USD, and this is the federal fund rates, the FOMC economic projections, FOMC states, the FOMC economic projections, FOMC statement, FOMC press conference at 9 p.m. We have the FOMC press conference and the federal fund rates. Let's see. Let's see what we'll get on the the rates. Do you expect a rate cut, or we could see a rate cut, or maybe I don't know. So the previous was 3.75. The forecast is 3.75. Let's see what the actual will be. And I know this will move the USD. So if you want to trade the FOMC, you could trade it on 9 p.m. at 9 p.m. on Wednesday. On Thursday, nothing high impact on the USD. On Friday, it's a bank holiday on the USD. Let's see which holiday this is. Which bank holiday is this? Uh, Juneteenth, National Independence Day. Oh, it's a National Independence Day. Okay. So, and we could also have the signing of the peace deal with Iran. Okay. So that's all on the fundamentals. So let's jump to the charts, see what you can get today. This we're going to remove everything. This was Thursday's analysis. So I never got a trade. We never traded on Thursday and Friday. Okay. We are still counting. Today is the 15th day. So we remove everything here. Remove the drawings. Start afresh. You always start on the 1 month to accommodate everyone who is here. We have the swing traders. We have the position traders. We have the intraday traders. We have the scalpers. So I like to cater for everyone here. So real quick. So that's our resistance up there. It has not changed. Resistance still up there. Our support. This is the active candle. And so the support, we'll still use this as a support here. Is the active candle here. So on the weekly, we have this. We have the swing high up here. Then we have this internal structure here. This one that was broken here. That's the high, and the low. The weekly low is confirmed. Last week's low. That's why it is. Okay. That's the weekly low. And jump down to the daily. On the daily, this is what you are looking at. You can see the very big gap that you have left here today. So on the daily, this is our low and this is our high here on the daily. On 4 hours, we had the swing high here, a break of structure here, then we had this other structure that was broken here. There's a pullback, then a structure broke here, then from here market came all the way down here, then we had a shift here, so low is here and the high is up here, but internally, so for our resistance is up here. That's why we have our 4 hour resistance. This is 4 a.m. and we have this internal support here before we get to the swing low here. We have this internal support here where the market came, tried to push up, wasn't able to, tried to push down. You can see all these weak rejections here. So this is where support is. So we are gonna use the body there and use the body here. Use the body there. So that's where we are within the 4 hour range. We jump down to 1 hour. On 1 hour, this is what we are looking at. Okay, we could move this one to the body here. See what we are looking at on 1 hour. On 1 hour, we had this break here. Right. We had this structure that was broken here. The low is here, high all the way up here, and we had this pullback here. So our low is here, our high is here. So this is our low. Our low is here. That's our low, and that's our high. Okay, that's our low, on our high. This gap here has to be filled. So let's see how we can catch that move to fill the gap there. If we catch this move here, so there on the 30 minutes, we had this break of structure here. Market pushed up. Then we had this one before this is the 8:30 a.m. candle. We had this support here. There was this internal support here. The price was getting rejected here. You can see price was getting rejected. Then we had a break below, and so this here we could do this. On 15 minutes, let's see what you have before we make yeah, you can see there was this consolidation here, so we could even trade on the 15 minutes. I could trade on the 15 minutes. So this is where I'll be looking to trade from today. So above here we have our potential buy. We have our potential buys above. And then here is it 715? Yes. And then on this level here we have our potential sales. Could have our potential sales below. have our potential sales below that. Now on 15 minutes, I think it's long gone. Sorry. On 15 minutes, this is what we had. This was the low, this was the high. So on 15 minutes, you're supposed to be trading from here. And it seems it's long gone. You see, it has already been tapped. So unless we put, we could have a, so the 15 minutes one looks like it's gone already. So you could have, you could still set here. You could still set your sell limit here, a sell limit here. Wait for a retest of this level. Eventually get it. Wait for a retest of that level and take the market to fill this gap here. Fill this gap here. You could fill this gap all the way down to this level here. So these are the levels to watch. Watch out for these levels here. The levels to watch out for. Okay. So that's the farthest I think I would want to push the market down. That's the farthest I would want to push the market down. There you have it. So there's a trader I will be looking for at today. If it happens, well and good. If it doesn't, wait for tomorrow. Remember, you don't chase it. Don't chase the market. Don't lose money trying to chase the market. Let the levels come to you. Let the price come to your levels. Okay. For the buys, I'll be looking for a long position here. I would take a long position here. Push the market all the way up there. My stop loss just below this support here. As long as I get to R, I'm good. Okay. So remember, risk management is key. Trade what you see, not what you think. And see you tomorrow for a recap of the same. Happy hunting, guys. I'm out. Ciao. You could also look at this level here before I go. I'm out. Ciao.